2.5 pounds.
You ready?
Tell me what you're doing.
Okay. We were shooting 2.5 pounds of Tannerite. Got it placed underneath a truck tire over there underneath that table with 7mm Remington Magnum. So, see what happens.
I'm just an innocent bystander.
Yep. Okay. Ready? Hit this right, it's 2.5 pounds. Pretty clear?
Holy shit! Holy!
That's hilarious.
Oh my god!
Now that's a kick. That was awesome.
Oh god!
That was quick. You know how much that tire weighs?
Oh, it's horrible!
Woo, doggies.
Oh.
Holy shit, look at the table!
Oh, don't get that in your mouth. That's
Oh my god!
That's the best one yet.
That's gross.
Okay,
Did you get that on tape?
Mm-hmm.
That one's higher than the tree.
That was no.
here's on the left of the table.
Yeah. We might have to
Get another one.
Yeah, but I mean, we had oxyacetylene before that. Good Lord. That's gnarly.
Oh, okay. Tire's not good.
Hey, was that filled up?
No. It's flat.
It was flat.
Yeah.
First the tire on
I
both
should have
sides.
had it filled up. That'd have been funner.
Here's your rim.
That's one way to take the rim off the bead.
Oh god.
Look at that.
You know what I do have?
Whole tire blew open.
You probably have to take it out a little closer.
Get a shot of the camera or the table.
Uh-huh.
Blow that sucker clear.
It probably went 50 feet in the air.
Oh, easy. Was it formed like that?
No. That was a straight rim.
Look at the
Look
other
at the
side of it.
backside. It was on the bead.
Well, pretty sure that tire's under warranty.
Yeah.
Tell me how to blow it out.
Thank you, Walmart.
This, I don't understand why is it so much more powerful than...
Still built to last.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Shut up.